Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Under ESIoT mini project, we Ujjwal Sonkamde, Sonali Thanambir and Abhishek Chete have successfully completed our mini project named Vehicle Accident Detection System under the guidance of Professor Aniruddha Shrisagar sir and Professor Atul Kathode sir. Now I will request Sonali to explain further project.
We'll start with the aim. The aim of this project to detect the possible collision with the car in front. This is performed using the sensor to detect and classify things in front of the vehicle, a system to interpret the data from the sensors, and a braking system which can work autonomously. Now, introduction. In this system, we can avoid the occurring accident while detecting the possible object in front of the vehicle. As we can see in the architecture of the system, here we are using the buzzer, ultrasonic distance sensor, LEDs and Arduino. So here the ultrasonic distance sensor acts as a vehicle. Whenever any kind of object comes closer to this, it will sense, and at that time immediately buzzer will start buzzing, and also red color LEDs start glowing. This indicates that there is a possibility to occurring the accident. But if everything is in the normal mode, that means everything is a fine, and there a yellow color LED will glow. It means that everything is in the safe mode. So the application of this system is accident information system, road traveling services, tollway accident management, and the future scope for it. We can add the GPS and GSM model through which we can capture the exact location and track where the accident occurred. Also, we can send the emergency message to the system, to the hospital for help. So, remaining part will be explained by the Abhishek Shetty.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Shetty, and now I am going to explain you the structure of the project. So as you can see, we have used Arduino Uno R3 and one ultrasonic distance sensor, and the black circle is piezo sensor, means buzzer, and yellow LED and red LED respectively. So black wires are here connected to the negative ends of the Arduino, means ground, and the red wires are connected to the positive ends, means 5 volts or the current supply. So the green and yellow wires you are looking at. First, green wire is a trig. Trigger is used to trigger the ultrasonic sound pulses, and yellow wire is echo. Echo pin produces a pulse when reflected signal is received. So this is a basic structure of our project. Let's start the simulation and see how it works. So as you can see, yellow light is glowing. That means all the situation is under control. The object, by clicking on the ultrasonic distance sensor, is the another car or any other object. So if that object comes near to the car or ultrasonic distance sensor, then system will start buzzing. Piezo sensor will start buzzing, and you can see the red LED is glowing. That means system is under danger. So driver will get notified, and as object goes away from the system will come to normal state and yellow LED will glow again. So this is how this project works. In real life situation, how we can implement this project? So we have to connect this system to a car, and if any other car or object will come near to our project or system, then system will get notified by ultrasonic distance sensor, and then ultrasonic distance sensor will notify the driver to take the further actions, and so driver can prevent the accident. Thank you everyone.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.